What if the secret to a perfect guest experience wasn't just in the details you can see, but in the data you can't? Today, we're going to explore how artificial intelligence is completely reshaping hotel housekeeping, transforming it from a daily routine into a powerful high-tech engine for efficiency and guest satisfaction.
Hello and welcome. I'm an AI expert specializing in modern hotel operations, and I'm really pleased to welcome all students of Europe Hotel School to this online learning journey. We're here to support your growth in this incredible industry by giving you practical knowledge that you can actually use in real hotel operations.
So here's a quick look at what we'll be covering. First, we'll talk about what excellence in hospitality really looks like today. Then we'll dive into the challenges of the old ways of doing things. After that, we get to the exciting part, defining what intelligent operations are, seeing AI in action day to day, how it changes the way we lead, and finally, how AI becomes a partner in performance, not a replacement for people.
All right, let's jump right in. To really get this, we have to start by shifting our perspective a little. Because housekeeping, it's so much more than just cleaning rooms. It's actually a critical piece of the entire guest journey.
I want you to think of housekeeping as the operational heart of the hotel. It's the engine room. And in today's world, being excellent isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. It all comes down to making sharp, data-driven decisions. And that's exactly why the tools we've used for years just aren't enough anymore.
Okay, so let's dig into that a little bit. To understand why we need new tools, we first have to look at the traditional methods, the ones that frankly are now becoming a major bottleneck in our operations.
You know the drill, right? For decades, the whole operation has run on paper room lists, crackly radios, and of course, the incredible intuition of experienced supervisors. And let's be fair, these tools were the backbone of housekeeping for a long, long time. They got the job done, but only for a time.
Because the game has totally changed. Those old tools, they were fine for a simpler era, but now they're really struggling to keep up. We're dealing with occupancy that changes by the minute, guest expectations that are higher than ever, and a constant need to be proactive, not reactive. The old ways just can't handle that level of complexity.
And that brings us right to the solution. We're talking about a genuine paradigm shift in how we manage hotel operations. It's a move away from purely manual processes and toward truly intelligent operations, all powered by artificial intelligence.
So, let's be super clear about what AI means in our world. This is not about robots with feather dusters. Not at all. It's about smart systems that can look at huge amounts of data, recognize patterns, and then help us make better decisions, either by suggesting a course of action or by automating it to boost both efficiency and quality. This right here is the key difference. On the one hand, you have old, rule-based software. It's static. It just follows a simple command, like give every housekeeper 15 rooms, period. But an AI system, well, it's more like a brain. It learns from data and adapts. It understands that a checkout suite with a late departure is a much bigger task than a simple touch-up, and it adjusts the workflow in real time. It's the difference between being rigid and being smart.
All right, so enough with the theory. Let's get practical. What does this kind of adaptive intelligence actually look like on a busy Tuesday morning in a hotel?
In the real world, you're going to encounter platforms like Oracle Oprah Cloud Housekeeping, which gives everyone a live instant view of room status. Or you'll see systems like Alice, which acts almost like an air traffic controller for the hotel, intelligently routing guest requests and staff tasks to exactly the right person at the right time.
And here's where you can see the magic happen. Just picture it. A room attendant finishes a room and taps clean on their tablet. Boom. The system instantly tells the front desk. That means a guest who's waiting in the lobby can get their key in seconds. That's not just a little more efficient, that's a massive win for the guest experience.
Now, this technology is about so much more than just making things faster. It actually changes the very nature of leadership in a hotel. It allows us to shift from constantly putting out fires to actually getting ahead of them.
And this leads to a question I want every one of you as future leaders to ask yourselves. Is your goal just to manage the chaos of today, or are you using the tools at your disposal to actively prepare for tomorrow?
Let me paint a picture for you. The reactive manager sees a huge line forming at the front desk and scrambles to find help. The proactive, AI-enabled leader looks at the data, sees that a block of rooms is about to be released, and schedules more staff before that line ever has a chance to form. It's about solving problems before they're even problems.
And on top of that, AI gives us a level of transparency we've never had before. As a manager, you can see real-time cleaning data and task patterns. Now, this isn't about being Big Brother, not at all. It's about fairness. It's about ensuring workloads are balanced and having objective, data-backed conversations with your team that actually help them grow and improve.
Okay, let's bring this all together in our final section, because none of this technology matters without the most important element in our industry, the people.
You know, there's always this fear that technology is here to take our jobs. But in hospitality, that is absolutely the wrong way to think about it. Let the AI handle the number crunching, the scheduling, the complexity. That frees up our teams to focus on what humans do best, ensuring quality, creating a safe environment, and delivering that personal, irreplaceable touch of genuine guest care.
If you take one thing away from our time together today, let it be this. Technology is a tool. It's here to support us, not to replace our core values. The heart of this business will always be about service, about care, and about creating unforgettable experiences for our guests. AI is simply a powerful new tool to help us do that better.
So the final question I'll leave you with isn't really about the technology itself, it's about you. These tools are becoming available right now. The real challenge and the most exciting opportunity is how you, as the next generation of leaders, will use them to innovate, to inspire your teams, and to completely redefine what an amazing guest experience can be. The future is in your hands.